guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Harshita and this would be my first video on YouTube, and the video is basically an review video on this Huda Beauty nude palette. I bought this palette from Nykaa around 3 days back. It is quite costly palette. It is 5,000 and something rupees in Indian rupees, but it is worth money. I feel like it is worth buying this product. So personally I just love this palette. I'll show you how this products look like. This is outer cover, iska bahar ka cover, then open it, and so this is the palette. It has a beautiful covering. See, it's nude Huda Beauty palette. So it has a big mirror. It has a big mirror and a label. So after removing this, I could see here around many colors. It's a beautiful color palette. See, I have used this actually, but it is very good. So we have, it can suits to all the skin types, every skin type, every skin color, every skin type. We can use this easy. I'll show you applying on my hand that how this colors actually look like. So I'll first show you how the sparkling color look like, and after that I'll show you the normal colors. I'll start with this golden sparkle, that is Crave. See, it is really beautiful. Means it just blend so easily. It blends so easily in your hand. The next one is the same, means in pink shade. So see, it is so soft. I just love this pink. It is so soft. So it's blend like this. This is pink and this is golden. And after that, another color, it is called as Fantasy. See, OMG, I just love this. I hope you can see difference. After this Fantasy, we have means this two have quite similar, but this one is in little purple and this one is in little pink. Love this. Oh, I'm so sorry. See, it is darker than these two shades. And after the best part, we have shimmers in this. Shimmer. Oh, how cute. I just love this shimmer. This is shimmer. This is pinkish type shimmer. I guess you can see it. Red. It is really beautiful. It is red shimmer. These all are colors. The colors are really good. Means it's all nude shades. Means we can wear the shades, I guess every day you can wear the shades, and it is really light. When you apply the shades, it really blends so easily in your eyes that I don't think so we need a brush for blending this. We can literally blend the shades from your hand also. See, if I'm blending the shade, it is really soft shade. You really don't need any brush to blend the shade. So I'll give you a quick demo. I'll show you the simplest way to how to apply this. I'll show you 1 or 2 colors that we can apply on a regular basis and it will look really perfect. So let's get started. First, before applying any eyeshadow, any eyeshadow, if you want a perfect finish, use a concealer or a foundation on your eyes before using or applying any eyeshadow. कोई भी eyeshadow अप्लाई करने के पहले आप अपनी आंखों को कंसील कर लीजिए. मैं ये कंसीलर यूज़ करती हूँ. Apply and base color which is similar to your eye color, means your eye shade color. So I'll use this teddy shade. It's very good shade. It's my first vlog, so I'm a little nervous about it, but I hope you guys will like it. There are many vlogs are coming which will be good and you people will appreciate, I know. So please stay tuned, and if you do like my vlogs, then please subscribe. I'll mention this link below from where I bought it, so you can directly go and you can check out this thing. It's really good. So after applying this teddy, see, we can see this, it's a teddy shade. I'm gonna apply the next shade. It's Pand. I don't know I'm pronouncing it properly, but yeah. Take a little bit, dust the rest, and apply, smoothly apply all over your eyes. It is a really beautiful shade. I just love this. These colors are really smooth to use. Means I don't think so I have got this like this shades before. It's really good. Apply it properly. Now take a darker shade. You can blend this with your fingertips also. I guess the fingertip part is the best, I feel like. Now take a darker shade. I'll take this raw shade. It's quite different. Dust it and just highlight your eye line. It will give a different look. I guess this is perfect. As you can guys see, I like this normal and regular type shades. So now this is the best thing. We have got two sparkles. I guess this gold sparkle and this pink one. They are like highlighters, and these both are sparkles. I have got here one more highlighter. Means they are a brighter shades we can see. So I'll take the little bit of this golden highlighter and I'll put here. I guess this is perfect. It will give you a shimmery shade. You can use brushes also, but I prefer this with finger only. Means it's optional. If you want to use this, you can. If you don't want, you can leave it like that only. Yes, I feel this is good. So yeah, that's it. So I'll make more vlogs on this, that how can we use this palette in different ways. I guess it has, the plus point also we got here is this concealer. I have told you before starting this. Yeah, after applying all my eyeliners, mascaras, the look is, you can see the eyeshadows look so perfect and elegant, and I just love to carry myself like this only in a normal basis. So I wish you people like my video. If you do, please share. It's my first video, so please forgive if something I have said wrong or done wrong, or I have missed something. So I'll work on it, and I'll work on my vlogs more. I look forward to provide you a good vlogs, a good detail about everything. So till then, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs, and we'll meet soon in my next vlog. Thank you so much.